Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel.
This is my Motorola Moto G04s model Android smartphone. I accidentally forgot the password for this phone. So today I will show you how to unlock this phone. The phone needs to be hard reset to unlock. I tried entering the password many times, but it won't unlock. To perform a hard reset, you must first turn off the phone. Press power key and volume up key same time for pop-up power off menu. Click power off. Press and hold volume down power button. Now there is AP fast boot flash mode. Now press the volume up or down button to go to recovery mode. After the recovery option appears, press the power button. Now the phone will reboot and go into recovery mode. In this mode, choose Wipe Data Factory Reset by using the volume keys to navigate and the power button to accept it. After that, select Factory Data Reset from the menu and confirm it by pressing the power key. At the end, choose Reboot System now by using the power button. Wait a few moments for the phone to turn on. If FRP is locked after hard reset, check the video pin comment or description link. For bypass Motorola FRP lock.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.